Hello friends, welcome to the fun class number 2.2 of the video lecture series conic section. So in this conic section we have already started the parabola. If you have not seen the first three videos of the parabola, then you are missing very conceptual part of this parabola. In the second video of the parabola, I have discussed the very important, the conceptual figure of the parabola, where we have discussed each and every part of the parabola in detail. Trust me, in these practice questions, I am going to use only that figure and we are not going to use a single formula. And definitely we'll be having the shortcut tricks and tips for solving the questions from the parabola. So if you have not seen the second video of the parabola, then please go through the second video. It is very helpful. So let's see how we can apply the concepts which we have learned in the second video. So why we are waiting for? Let's get started. First question. The focus of the parabola y minus 3 whole square is equals to 4x. So first thing you have to check is whether the given equation is in a standard form or not, whether it is a shifted parabola. So if you have checked these things, then first you find the vertex of the parabola. एक काम करना है आपको, वर्टेक्स निकालना है एंड उसके बाद LOR निकालना है, विच इज अ लेंथ ऑफ लैटिस रेक्टम. Length of lattice rectum is very simple. If suppose you have y square is equals to 4ax, this is my length of lattice rectum and this is the standard equation of a parabola. तो देखो भाई यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, so it is nothing but y minus 3 whole square is equals to 4x. So what is length of lattice rectum is, it is 4. Means what, 4a is equals to 4 implies a is equals to what, it is 1. देखो they are asking for the focus and you already know it is in the form of y square equals to 4x. मतलब क्या है, दिस इज ऑफ दिस फॉर्म, दिस इज ऑफ लेफ्ट हैंड राइट हैंड साइडेड पैराबोला ये. ओके, एंड व्हाट आर दी वर्टाइसेस, वर्टाइसेस के कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या है, वर्टेक्स के कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या है, इट इज k. So it is y minus k whole square equals to 4 into bracket x minus h, where h is 0 and k is what, it is 3. So h comma k, if it is equals to what, it is 0 comma 3. If I compare this equation with the standard equation, then I will come to know that h is equals to 0 and k is equals to 3. What it means, this point is at 0 comma 3. ठीक है, मतलब ये फोकस कब कहाँ पे रहता है, इट इज a distance from the vertex, इट इज a distance from the vertex. So यहाँ से इधर चले जाओ. So this is what vertex we have is, if it is 0, then what will be this point, इसके कोऑर्डिनेट क्या रहेंगे, it is 1. okay, because a is 1, then what do you think, what will be its y axis, which is simply this 3, this is 3 only. okay, so it is 1 comma 3 is your answer. So option number D. we have not used a single formula यार, सिर्फ फिगर के बेसिस पे हम लोग क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके, वेरी गुड. देखो भाई ऑप्शन भी एलिमिनेट कर सकते हो, वंस यू नो दैट a इज इक्वल्स टू 1. देखो ये ऑप्शन और ये ऑप्शन चला गया. नाउ देर इज नो चांस टू गेट y इज इक्वल्स टू -3, क्योंकि वर्टेक्स का कोऑर्डिनेट है 3 है ना, -3 तो है ही नहीं. सो द ओनली करेक्ट आंसर इज व्हाट, इट इज अ D. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द इक्वेशन ऑफ द एक्सिस ऑफ द पैराबोला x स्क्वायर माइनस 4y प्लस 8 इक्वल्स टू 0 इज. ओके, एक्सिस पूछा है. व्हाट इज एक्सिस? Axis is the part along which your parabola is symmetrical. okay, suppose we have this parabola here, ये ऐसा part रहेगा parabola का. so this becomes my axis. क्यों? because along this line your parabola is symmetrical, that's why. okay, so write down first equation as it is. so x square minus 4y plus 8 equals to 0. अभी स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कैसा लिखना है इसको, यहाँ पे भी एक छोटा सा टिप दे दूंगा मैं आपको. देखो जो भी आपका स्क्वायर का टर्म है, एक्स स्क्वायर है, कीप दिस एक्स स्क्वायर एंड ऑल दी टर्म्स हैविंग एक्स ऑन दी LHS साइड ओनली. यहाँ पे एक्स के टर्म कोई नहीं है, सो लीव इट. and take all the y terms and the constant to the RHS side. Okay, so I will be keeping this x square on the LHS and taking these both terms to the RHS. So 4y minus 8 equals to x square. Okay, so क्या होगा बाद में? So if I take 4 common, I will be having y minus 2 equals to x square. Now if you observe, this is what? This is my standard equation of a parabola. So it is x minus h whole square equals to 4 into bracket y minus k. Okay, so why it is standard form? This is a shifted parabola. So that's why I have already told you कि भाई सेकेंड वीडियो आपको देखना है, इंपॉर्टेंट है, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वो एक 10-15 मिनट का वीडियो आपका पूरा पैराबोला कंसेप्ट क्लियर कर देगा. ओके, सो इफ यू कंपेयर दीज टू इक्वेशंस, व्हाट यू गेट? सो h वैल्यू कितना है? h इज 0 हियर, h इज इक्वल्स टू 0, and what is k is equals to? K is equals to 2. Okay, means what? And it is of the form of x square is equals to 4x. मतलब ये upside parabola है. Okay, upside parabola, yes, this is the same thing. So इसके vertex के coordinates क्या है? It is 0,2 is the coordinate of a vertex, and they are asking for the equation of axis. This is the axis, this is the axis, and what will be the equation of this? It is passing through this 0, and this axis is what? इट इज अ परपेंडिकुलर टू एक्स एक्सिस. मतलब इसका जो भी इक्वेशन रहेगा वो आपका y में इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्स, यस, इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्स रहेगा. ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी द इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस लाइन? सी, दिस लाइन इज पासिंग थ्रू 0, सो कैन आई से दिस इज x इज इक्वल्स टू 0 लाइन. दिस इज अ x इज इक्वल्स टू 0 लाइन. We have seen in the straight line, see, all the topics are interconnected. Okay, so this equation of line is what? It is x is equals to 0. Maybe you have doubt, sir, why y is equals to 2 क्यों नहीं है? So if you take y is equals to 2, वो y is equals to 2 लाइन ये रहेगा. This is the y is equals to 2 line, but this is not a axis. This is not a axis. ये axis नहीं है अपना. This is the only axis we have. Okay, that's why our answer is what? It is x is equals to 0 is our correct answer. Option number C. Okay, done. Next, third question. The equation of a parabola whose focus is minus 3, 0 and the directrix is x plus 5 is equals to 0 is. Okay, very good. So directrix भी दिया है, focus भी है, and you know generally what figure we have is, suppose this is our parabola. Okay, so ये अपना focus रहेगा and this is our directrix. So if it is vertex, a डिस्टेंस पे फोकस है एंड इधर द सेम a डिस्टेंस पे अपना डायरेक्ट्रिक्स रहेगा. दिस इज द जनरली कंसेप्ट वी हैव इन अ पैराबोला. इज सो डायरेक्ट्रिक्स दिया x इज इक्वल्स टू x प्लस 5 इक्वल्स टू 0 मीन्स व्हाट? x इज इक्वल्स टू -5 आई कैन राइट. ओके, सो x इज इक्वल्स टू -5, दिस इज द सेम लाइन, मीन्स व्हाट आई कैन से इज दिस इज -5. ये है मेरा -5 पॉइंट. ओके, x इज इक्वल्स टू -5 एंड आपका फोकस भी दिया है -3 पे, -3, 0. ओके, मतलब दिस पॉइंट इज व्हाट? इट इज -3, 0. देन व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ अ पैराबोला दे आर आस्किंग. ओके, सो यू कैन check that. Can you give me the equation or sir the coordinate of the vertex? See, when you consider this whole segment, ये डायरेक्ट्रिक्स एंड द फोकस, इन दोनों का अगर मिड पॉइंट लोगे आप, देन यू विल बी हैविंग दिस वर्टेक्स. ओके, सो देखो भाई, ये -5 है एंड ये -3 है, मतलब दोनों में जो डिस्टेंस है कितना है? 2 का है. तो मिड पॉइंट कितना रहेगा? 1 पे रहेगा. सो यहाँ से 1 आओ और यहाँ से 1 आओ, you go in any way. So this point will be what? It is a -4, 0. This point will be what? It is a -4, 0, no? So check which option is giving you the vertex coordinates as a -4, 0. मतलब ये रहेगा मेरा h वैल्यू एंड ये रहेगा मेरा k वैल्यू. सो y माइनस k 0 रहेगा. सो y माइनस k ये. ओके, सो इफ यू think of y, all options seems to be very correct. Then what about the plus sign or minus sign? Which sign you will have? This is what? The right side parabola. It is a right sided parabola, means what? You will be having the plus sign. Okay, तो ये भी चला गया एंड ये भी चला गया, ये दोनों ऑप्शंस तो चले गए. what you have next is h is equals to -4 you have h is equals to -4. सो ये ऑप्शन और ये ऑप्शन में देखो h is equals to -4 कौन सा है. सो x माइनस एच, सो माइनस माइनस प्लस होना चाहिए. सो दिस इज आवर करेक्ट आंसर. वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 4 इंटू एक्स प्लस 4. सी दीज थिंग्स, ये इतना सब इतना आपको थिंकिंग प्रोसेस कब आएगा, व्हेन यू सी द सेकेंड वीडियो, जिसमें वी हैव टॉक्ड वेरी वेरी प्रिसाइजली टू ऑल द टर्म्स ऑफ द पैराबोला. बहुत इन डिटेल में बात किया है हम लोगों ने. ईच एंड एवरी कंसेप्ट वी हैव सीन देयर. ओके, सो इतना थिंकिंग प्रोसेस आपको आना चाहिए. सिर्फ फिगर पे ही खेल रहे हैं हम लोग. ओके, वेरी गुड. सी यू विल फाइंड एन नंबर ऑफ ट्रिक्स एंड टिप्स, बट व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम फॉर दैट इज, भाई एक क्वेश्चन को अलग ट्रिक लगना है, दूसरे क्वेश्चन को अलग ट्रिक लगना है. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट फोकस ऑन द फिगर एंड यू विल बी डायरेक्टली सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चंस इन जस्ट 30 to 60 seconds. भाई उससे ज़्यादा टाइम लगना ही नहीं है आपको. ओके, वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट, द लेंथ ऑफ लैटिस रेक्टम ऑफ द पैराबोला इज. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. सो स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन कैसा करोगे, एक्स स्क्वायर एंड एक्स सब टर्म एक जगह पे, बाकी के जब जब जो भी रहेंगे वो सेकेंड साइड पे जाएंगे. सो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4x इज इक्वल्स टू 8y, ये -12 हो जाएगा. सो इसको मुझे एक a माइनस बी के फॉर्म में लिखना है, x माइनस. सो इट इज एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू 2x इज इक्वल्स टू 8y माइनस 12. सो क्या अरेंजमेंट करना चाहिए मुझे यहाँ पे. सो वी हैव हियर 2, सो जस्ट ऐड 4. -2 इंटू 2x प्लस 4 इज इक्वल्स टू 8y माइनस 12 प्लस 4. इधर किया तो इधर भी कर दो प्लस 4. दिस इज व्हाट द arrangement we are doing to get the equation in a standard form. So what we'll be having is, see ये इतना पार्ट हो गया मेरा क्या, x माइनस 2 होल स्क्वायर. सो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4x प्लस 4 विच इज इक्वल्स टू 8y माइनस 8. ओके, सो इट इज x माइनस 2 स्क्वायर equals to, if I take 8 common, you will be having y minus 1. See, this is what is the standard form of our parabola, where x minus h whole square equals to 4a into bracket y minus k. So this 8 becomes what, it is my length of lattice rectum. 4a is nothing but the length of lattice rectum. So what is your answer is option C. Okay, so if you observe this equation very very carefully, the coefficient of y in this equation is nothing but 8, and which is our answer is. So length of lattice rectum is always the coefficient of single, जो भी पावर रहेगा ना उसका coefficient रहेगा. यहाँ पे x square है. So if I write this equation in like this, so y square minus 10y plus 16x plus 12 equals to 0. if I write this equation like this, so y square के फॉर्म में है ना, so x का कोएफिशिएंट देखना है आपको. यहाँ पे देखो x स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में था इक्वेशन अपना, then we have seen the y कोएफिशिएंट. ओके, एंड दैट वाज आवर आंसर. यहाँ पे y स्क्वायर दिया है तो x का कोएफिशिएंट देखो. सो माय लेंथ ऑफ लैटिस रेक्टम इज व्हाट, इट इज 16, isn't it? सो इसका आंसर, यू कैन सॉल्व दिस एंड यू कैन क्रॉस वेरीफाई. इसका आंसर 16 ही आएगा आपको, लेंथ ऑफ लैटिस रेक्टम. ओके, वेरी गुड. सो इसका आंसर कितना है, इसका आंसर रहेगा अपना सी. ओके, नेक्स्ट, द इक्वेशन ऑफ अ पैराबोला विथ इट्स वर्टेक्स एट ओरिजिन, एक्सिस ऑन द y एक्सिस एंड पासिंग थ्रू द पॉइंट 6, -3 इज. अभी देखो भाई, वेन एवर दे गिव यू द पॉइंट और पैराबोला पासिंग थ्रू, मतलब क्या है, ये पॉइंट, दिस पॉइंट शुड सेटिस्फाई द इक्वेशन of the parabola. So let's verify which equation is satisfying. So it is 6 and -3. Let's substitute in the first equation. So it is -3 and तो इसका कितना आ गया, ये A option I am solving here. So ये हो गया 9 is equals to 12 into x, 72 plus 6. So definitely it is not correct. So 9 is equals to 78. No, it is wrong. What about option B? So it is x square, means it is 36 is equals to 12 into 3, 36. So it is again giving me -36. So definitely it is also not true. Let's check the option C. So x square is what, it is 36 and we have minus 12 into minus 3, which is again 36. Yes, this is the correct answer, option number C. No need to check this y square also. Okay, so your correct answer is, it is C. Very good. Next question. The equation of a parabola whose focus is 5 comma 3, okay, and the directrix is 3x minus 4y plus 1 equals to 0 is, okay. So it is a bit conceptual question है. देखो इधर ये अपना पैराबोला है, ओके, this is a focus and this is a directrix. So what is the definition of the parabola is? So it is the locus of a point which is equidistant from the fixed point and fixed line. Suppose I take this point as a P and I will take this as M and this is S. So this PM is equals to PS. So can I have this PM square is equals to PS square? By definition of the parabola, this PM square is equals to PS square. Now substitute, you can find out the distance of this P from this line. Suppose this is in bracket x comma y, we can find out easily the distance of a line from a point is, and what is the distance between the two points is. So इसका क्या हो गया, it is ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. So इसका equation there is 3x minus 4y plus 1 equals to 0. So it becomes 3x minus 4y, I am substituting the values of p x comma y, plus 1 divided by root of 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16. इसका square is equals to ps square, which is distance x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so open करो इसको. So क्या मिलेगा आपको, ये हो गया मेरा 9x स्क्वायर माइनस प्लस 16y स्क्वायर प्लस 1 सी ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab which is minus 12 into 2 which is minus 24 xy. Then you will be having minus 2y into minus 2 into 4y हो गया minus 8y plus 6x is equals to सी इसका स्क्वायर हो गया 25, सी 25 इन ब्रैकेट ये इधर चला गया. सो ओपन करो इसको. सो यू विल बी हैविंग एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 25 माइनस 10x प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 9 minus 6y. Okay, so if you solve this you will be getting 4x plus 3y whole square minus 256x minus 142y plus 849 equals to 0. So which is option number what? It is 4x plus 3y square. 4x plus 3y square देखिए ये एक है. Do we have any other 4x plus 3y? No, only option A is correct, 4x plus 2y. See, don't go with the length of this question. Okay, answer कितना लंबा आ रहा है देखो मत. This is a conceptual question and means what I will tell you is don't expect these many lengthy questions in your exam. Only focus on the concept. What concept we have learned is ये दोनों का जो डिस्टेंस है ना ये सेम है एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट वी आर सॉल्विंग द इक्वेशन ऑफ अ पैराबोला. ओके, वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट, द पॉइंट ऑफ अ पैराबोला y square is equals to 18x for which the ordinate is 3 times the abscissa. What is ordinate is? Ordinate means it is always y coordinate. It is y coordinate and abscissa is what? It is x coordinate. We have already discussed this. So क्या बोल रहा है वो? Ordinate is 3 times the abscissa. This is they are given the condition and the point पूछा है. Which point is on the parabola which satisfies this equation y is equals to 3x. So as this point is lying on the parabola, it should satisfy the equation of a parabola. So substitute करो equation of parabola में. So y square is equals to 18x is the equation of parabola. Substitute. So y is equals to 3x. So y square कितना हो गया? It is 9x square equals to 18x. So कितना हो गया? एक x कैंसिल हो गया, ये गया भाई 2 पे. So x I am getting is equals to 2. If x is equals to 2, then what is y? Y is equals to what? It is 6. Okay, so what point you are getting is, it is a 2 comma 6. So here option is D. Okay, concept पे ध्यान दो, how we are approaching the question. See, solve तो कोई भी कर सकता है यार, छोटा टाइम है, शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन में आपको सॉल्व करना है क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट, the equation of a parabola with vertex at a origin and a directrix y is equals to 2 is, देखो भाई vertex origin पे दिया है and a directrix is y is equals to 2. So how you will draw y is equals to 2 line? So suppose this is y is equals to 2 line, so this is y is equals to 2, so this is my y is equals to 2 line. This is the directrix to the parabola. Okay, so if it is directrix to the parabola, how you will expect the parabola? It is upside parabola और downside parabola, and वो बोल रहा है कि भाई vertex है ना origin पे है, यहाँ पे मेरा vertex है. So आप parabola ऐसा लोगे क्या? So do we get the parabola like this? No, not at all. Focus, then we have vertex, and then we have the directrix. Means what? You will be having the parabola like this. This is my parabola is. Okay, vertex is at 0, 0. Now see, इतना डिस्टेंस मेरा 2 है, तो इसका फोकस भी मेरा 2 ही होना चाहिए ना, ये 2. सो व्हाट इज द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द फोकस? इट इज 0, -2, because you are moving below the origin. So it is what? It is a 0, -2 should be the focus. So what do you think? What equation of this parabola is? So first of all tell me whether this is a negative parabola or positive parabola. ये डाउन साइड में ना, तो it is negative parabola. तो पॉजिटिव में जो भी है ना उसको डिलीट कर दो पहला. So you are having only these two options, and it is the axis is what? It is a y is the axis. So which form you will have? It is x square is equals to form you will have. Okay, very good. Next question, what is the focal distance of any point p x1 comma y1 on the parabola y square is equals to 4x? Very important question ना. देखो भाई, I will draw a figure. So it is a conceptual question again. ये हो गया मेरा एक्सिस, ये हो गया पैराबोला. ओके, एंड here we have the directrix. So suppose this is my focus, so here we'll be having the directrix. Okay, so focal distance of any point on the parabola. Suppose we have a point P, x1 comma y1 here, x1 comma y1 here. okay, थोड़ा सा दूर ले लूँगा मैं इसको, ये आ गया. So suppose this is a point P, x1 comma y1, and this is a directrix. So by definition of the parabola, what we can say is, so this distance, it is s, and this distance m. So ps by pm is always equals to 1, because it is what? The distance of this ps and pm are same. Okay, so ps is equals to pm will have. Then what will be the coordinate of this s point? It is a comma 0. Suppose this is a point z we have, and this is a vertex we have a. So if this distance is a, then can I say this distance is also a? By definition, yes, this distance is also a. Now let me construct something for you. Suppose this point is n. Let's take m. We have used m. So let's take this point as n. Now see, this pm is equals to zn. I will directly write down this pm is equals to zm. So it is zn. pm is equals to zn. ये देखो भाई. Okay, and this is a perpendicular we have drawn from the p to the axis. And this zn I can easily write as a za plus an. za plus an. Yes, we can write. And this za is what? It is nothing but a, plus this za is nothing but a, and what will be an? An is nothing but the x1. देखो भाई, an is nothing but the x coordinate of this point p. Okay, so it is x1. So this becomes the focal length. ps is the focal distance of the point p. मतलब ये वाला जो distance है ना, this is a focal distance of the point p. Suppose we have point some another point here. सो ये हो गया इसका फोकल डिस्टेंस, मतलब डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दैट पॉइंट and the focus is the focal distance. Okay, so please make a note of this. PS, that is a focal distance, is always equals to a plus x1. Okay, so what is your answer? Is correct answer is what it is? Answer is D. D is my correct answer. Next, if the line x plus y minus 1 equals to 0 is a tangent to a parabola y square minus y plus x equals to 0, then the point of contact is what? Okay, ये y square is equals to 4x के फॉर्म में, so we'll have the parabola like this. Okay, and it is a tangent. Something is tangent, so the line is tangent, मतलब क्या है? That is touching a single point of the parabola. Means what? ये point, this point is a common to the line as well as the parabola. Means what? This equation of a line should satisfy the equation of a parabola. Yes, why not? Then directly substitute करो. Satisfy मतलब क्या है? Substitute करना है. So you have y square minus y plus x equals to 0. This is equation of parabola. From this you get, from the equation of line you get the equation of x. So x plus y minus 1 equals to 0. So यहाँ से x कितना आएगा? X is equals to what? It is 1 minus y. Substitute this in this equation. So y square minus y plus 1 minus y equals to 0. So y square minus 2y plus 1 equals to 0, which is nothing but y minus 1 whole square equals to 0. Okay, so y minus 1 whole square equals to 0 means what? Y is equals to 1. Check which option is correct. Y is equals to 1. So only A is correct. So this is nothing but the coordinate of this point, comma 1. So if you substitute y is equals to 1 in this equation, your x is equals to what? X is equals to 0. मतलब 0, 1 is the point at which this line is a tangent to the given parabola. Okay, very good. So your option is A. Next, the equation of a directrix x minus 1 whole square equals to 2 y minus 2 is. Okay, first of all पहला फिगर का तो आपको ओरियो तो पता होना चाहिए. इट इज एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 4ay के फॉर्म में, एंड इट इज अ पॉजिटिव, मतलब इट इज अपसाइड फॉर्म, अपसाइड पैराबोला, ये वाला पैराबोला है. Okay, if it is the parabola and the directrix we'll have below this, it is a vertex. So vertex coordinate we can directly find out, x minus h, y minus k. So it is 1 comma 2 is the coordinate of this directrix, 1 comma 2. What is the focus? How you will find the focus? This is what it is, a 4a. So 4a is equals to 2, मतलब a कितना आ गया भाई? 1/2 आ गया. a मेरा आ गया 1/2. Means you are moving 1/2 above the vertex, you will get the focus. If you move below the vertex 1/2, you will get the directrix. Okay, मतलब y axis पे मूव हो रहे तो 2 में ऐड करोगे then you will get the focus, and 2 से subtract करोगे तो you will get the directrix. So 2 minus 1/2 will give you 3/2. So 3/2 is, this is the 3/2 form, this is the 3/2 line. So what is the equation of it? The directrix पूछ रहा है वो. So this is what? This is the x is equals to 3/2 line. This is x is equals to 3/2 line. So x is equals to 3/2. So you will have 2x is equals to 3, means what? 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. This is the equation of a directrix. Check which option is correct. Option number A. देखो भाई, कंसेप्ट पे ना बहुत ध्यान देना है आपको. फिगर से ही वी आर गेटिंग ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. ओनली फ्रॉम फिगर वी आर गेटिंग. ठीक है, क्या प्लस करना है, क्या माइनस करना है, इट इज वेरी वेरी सिंपल. एंड these tricks and tips you will get from the video number 2 of the parabola of this conic section. Okay, next, ये तो भाई theoretical question है. देखो, it is the point at which the line y is equals to mx plus c touches the parabola y square is equals to 4ax is. जो हम लोगों ने अभी लास्ट बट वन क्वेश्चन किया है, जो टच पॉइंट है ना, दैट टच पॉइंट, ये टच पॉइंट है ना, दिस टच पॉइंट इज ऑलवेज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? इट इज a by m square. It is a by m square comma minus 2a by m. Always remember this is the form. Okay, जो टच पॉइंट है फॉर दिस लाइन y is equals to mx plus c, for this line and for this parabola only we have a by m square comma minus 2a by m. Next, the focal distance, see again the focal distance, just now we have seen the focal distance. The focal distance is always equals to what? It is a plus x1. Okay, so the focal distance of a point on a parabola y square is equals to 8x is 4, then its ordinates are, ओके देखो भाई पिक्चर निकालता हूँ, देखो इधर ये अपना पैराबोला है, ओके ये अपना फोकस है, सो ये डिस्टेंस 4 है बोल रहे वो, दिस इज द गिवन. सो फोकल डिस्टेंस यू मे हैव टू साइड्स ना, इधर भी फोकल डिस्टेंस हो सकता है, इधर भी फोकल डिस्टेंस हो सकता है, एंड द डिस्टेंस दे हैव गिवन इज इक्वल्स टू 4. सो इसका y कोऑर्डिनेट पूछ रहे हैं, दोनों का पॉसिबल y कोऑर्डिनेट पूछ रहे हैं वो, and we already know that the focal distance is always equals to a plus x1. Okay, this is my focal distance. So what is the value of a from this parabola equation? Is it is 4a is equals to 8. So a कितना आ गया भाई? a आ गया मेरा 2. So it is a plus x1, this focal distance they have given is equals to 4. So it is equals to 4. So a is 2, 2 plus x1 is equals to 4. So x1 कितना आ गया? x1 आ गया मेरा 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. So for the value of x1 is equals to 2, find the value of y square. So x1 is equals to 2, y square कितना गया? So y square is equals to what? It is 8 into 2 is it is 16. So y कितना गया भाई? It is plus or minus 4. Yes, get it? Very good. Next, what is the length of smallest chord of the parabola y square is equals to 4x? Okay, smallest chord कौन रहता है भाई? If it is a parabola, okay, and if it is a focus, see only the perpendicular to the axis is the only smallest chord we have, and this is nothing but my lattice rectum. So lattice rectum का length पूछ रहे हैं. So what is the length of lattice rectum? Is it is always the coefficient of x, that is a 4a. That's it. Okay, so either say if you take any other focal length, so these are what? These are the greater than the lattice rectum, the smallest, the shortest focal chord. The next question, which of the following is the correct set of parametric coordinates of the parabola y square is equals to ax? Okay, what they are asking is the parametric form of this parabola y square is equals to ax, y square is equals to x. So parametric form means what? It is x is equals to 80 square and y is equals to 280. Please don't mark this as your a square 80 square comma 280. This is correct only when you have this 4a. Okay, if we have this lattice rectum 4a, then only this 80 square comma 280 is correct, otherwise it is not. Okay, then what to do now? We know the concept that any parametric equation that is x is equals to 80 square and y is equals to 280 satisfy this equation of the parabola y square is equals to ax. Okay, means what? The correct option, the correct answer should satisfy this y square is equals to ax. See, as we already know, this is definitely not going to be my answer. Okay, so छोड़ दो इसको. So let's substitute b is equals to 80 square comma 80 by 2 in the equation. So what we'll get? Let's see. So it is 80 square, y कितना गया? 80 by 2. So 80 by 2 whole square is equals to a into 80 square. I am substituting x is equals to this part and y is equals to this part. Okay, so you will be getting 80 square by 4 which is equals to a square t square. So definitely it is not correct. ये is equal to है क्या? No, these are not correct. So let's substitute option C. So C option में क्या आ रहा है? See, this is what y we have. So it is minus 80 by 2 whole square equals to 80 square upon 4 into a. So a into x है ना. So it is a square t square upon 4 which is equals to a square t square upon 4. Very good. So what we are getting, LHS equals to RHS, means what? Our option C is correct. Okay, ये इतना प्रोसीजर क्यों कर रहे हैं हम लोग? Because they have not given in a standard form. You can go in other way also. So this 4a is equals to a they have given, so a is coming as a by 4. So just have these values and substitute in this 80 square and 280, you will get the same answer, 80 square by 4 comma minus 80 by 2. Okay, very good. Next, what is the slope of normal at the point 80 square comma 280 of the parabola y square equals to 4ax? You know that slope is always given as, so if suppose I have y square is equals to 4x, and if I differentiate this equation with respect to x, what you will get? It is 2y dy by dx is equals to 4a. Okay, so dy by dx कितना आ गया मेरा? It is 4a by 2y, which is nothing but 2a by y. So this is nothing but the slope. ये हो गया मेरा स्लोप टू द पैराबोला. बट वो क्या पूछ रहे हैं? नॉर्मल का स्लोप पूछ रहे हैं वो. ओके, सपोज दिस इज अ स्लोप, ये अपना पैराबोला हो गया. ओके, सो सपोज दिस इज अ स्लोप, सो नॉर्मल टू दिस स्लोप मीन्स व्हाट? ये इसको परपेंडिकुलर है. एंड परपेंडिकुलर का स्लोप कैसा रहता है? इट इज ऑलवेज इक्वल्स टू m1 m2 is equals to -1. Okay, if it is the same thing, then what will be the slope of normal? Okay, so dy by dx of normal will be equals to what? It is inverse of this with a negative sign, so it is minus of y by 2a. Okay, so substitute the values, जो भी values दिए वो 80 square and 280 at this point पूछ रहे हैं ना, just substitute the values. So y कितना है? It is 280, and what is x they have given? It is 80 square, so no need of x, so 2a substitute करो. So 2a cancel, so what is the answer is? It is minus t is my answer, so option number C. I hope you are getting this. Okay, so slope, so from the given equation of parabola we found the dy by dx, which is nothing but the slope of this parabola ये, and उन्होंने normal का पूछा है, so we have taken the inverse and negative because m1 m2 is equals to -1. This formula we have used here, and we have substituted this value given point, ये point, in the slope of this normal, and we are getting the value as a minus t, which is nothing but the slope of my normal. Next, what is the area of a triangle formed by the lines joining the vertex of the parabola x square equals to 12y to the end of lattice rectum? Okay, very good question है, बहुत बढ़िया question है. It's very simple question. Assume it is a parabola, so we have this as directrix and the lines we have. So this is a parabola, and suppose this is a focus, and here we have the lattice rectum. ये हो गया मेरा lattice rectum. Okay, what they are saying कि end points of the lattice rectum and the vertex we are joining, and we are having the triangle now. Now what is the area of this triangle? Suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C. What is the area of this triangle they are asking? So from the equation of a parabola x square is equals to 12y, can you give me the what is the length of lattice rectum is? So this part is length of lattice rectum, which is 12. Matlab this is the 12. So base of this triangle we know, which is 12. So area of triangle is what? It is 1/2 base into height. Okay, so height, how you will find the height? So if I somehow know the coordinate of this point, I will get the height, and this point is nothing but the focus of a parabola. This is what? It is a 4a is equals to 12. So a कितना गया भाई? ये आ गया मेरा 3. So this part, the coordinate of this point is 0,3. Make a note that you are writing 0,3 only, not 3,0, as we are on the y-axis. Okay, so this distance कितना आ गया भाई? ये distance आ गया मेरा 3. ये देखो इधर, ये 3 आ गया ना distance. Okay, so height is 3, base is 12, so directly you can substitute. So 1/2 12 into 3, so which is nothing but 6 into 3 is 18. That's it boss, answer आ गया अपना. देखो कितना गया आंसर? 18. ऑप्शन नंबर डी. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. ओके, सो वही बोल रहा हूँ मैं यार कि सिर्फ है ना फिगर पे ध्यान दे दो आप, एवरीथिंग विल बी क्लियर. ओके, वेरी गुड. Oh, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. ठीक है, share with your friends, seniors and juniors. Comment करके बताओ how you find this video. So whether these tricks and tips are helpful. So definitely you will be subscribing to channel so that भाई अभी next है ना ellipse and hyperbola भी आने वाला है. वो भी बहुत simple है because you are with me. No worries, we have this so many tricks and tips and the shortcuts to clear your all questions from these conic sections. Okay, thank you.